Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diva. For those who are new, welcome, and for my returning subscribers, wagwan, you dig. Alright guys, it's going to be a nice, short, sweet video. Literally for those of you women out there who are struggling with how to apply your lip liner and your gloss, or your lip liner and your lipstick and your gloss, this is the video for you. But before I get into this video, please hit that like button, making sure all your notification bells are on. Like, it needs to be on. So when my video pops up, you ain't gonna cry because you've missed it. But anyway guys, let me just get straight into this video. Guys, you've got to base your lips first before any lip work begins. I'm using the Morphe Mega Matte First Base, the NYX Line Loud pencil in the refined colour, and just a simple lip gel that you get from anywhere. It's all you need. So you just literally just line your lips as close as to the line as possible, not too hard, just literally gently, just for your lip line or your lip shape. For those who have smaller lips, you can line it on the outer line of your lip just to give it that full base. At this point guys, I was literally just rubbing this in. It is very matte, so it is a bit stodgy to use, but it doesn't matter at this point actually what your lips look like, because you can get over the pencil, as you can see, if you feel like it needs a bit more colour. Then you just have to use a little brush just to blend it out easier. Instead of rubbing your lips, you just use the brush just to blend it a bit more. Now I'm going to take this flat concealer brush, any flat brush that you have. You got to just put a bit of lip gloss and then just literally put it on the outer line of your lip line. This actually makes your lips stand out more. So by you putting the gloss on the lip line on the outer bit, it actually gives it that more full and shiny look that you would want. Just take your time with this, no rush. Sometimes when you're doing lip work, it could look a bit messy, but at the end product, you would see the final look. I am literally going to go back in with the Mega Matte, as I feel like it lost a bit. So you just go back up this lightly, then you could just brush it in, and then add a bit more gloss, and you're good to go. This is the last of this simple lip liner and gloss application, and it's just to just finish it off, just to make sure that it's finished and bowed to how you like it. And look, this is the finish lip, guys. What do you think of it? I like it. It makes my lips look juicy. But guys, comment down below, let me know what you think. Hopefully this is easy for you guys, and yeah, just make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. One love.